Hey, today I'm going to share 25 amazing food facts that will totally blow your mind and make everyday foods in a whole new way. Let's go. 1. Did you know honey is the only food that never spoils? Archaeologists have found honeycombs thousands of years old, and the honey was still perfectly edible. Now that's nature's ultimate time capsule. 2. Bananas are true berries, but strawberries aren't. Botany can be super surprising. 3. In ancient times, chocolate was drunk as a bitter beverage, the food of the gods, not the sweet bar we know today. 4. Potatoes were the first vegetable grown in space. NASA pulled this off back in 1995. 5. Tomatoes are actually fruits. People used to think they were vegetables until scientists settled the debate. 6. Citrus fruits like lemons and oranges are a special type of berry called Hesperidia. More botanical fun. 7. Put grapes in the microwave and watch plasma sparks fly. Thanks to their shape and moisture, this is a crazy physics phenomenon. 8. Asparagus contains sulfur compounds that cause that distinctive odor in your urine after you eat it. Yep, that's why. 9. In South Korea, they make ice cream that looks like fried chicken, a playful mix of flavor and design. 10. Lemons actually contain more natural sugars than strawberries, but their high acidity hides the sweetness. 11. Truffles are prized fungi hunted by trained dogs and pigs because of their strong aroma. 12. In Japan, farmers sometimes play music near cucumber plants, believing the vibrations help them grow better. 13. In India, spices aren't just flavor, they're a whole philosophy, making food vibrant, healthy, and delicious. 14. Goji berries are considered a superfood in traditional Chinese medicine, packed with antioxidants and believed to promote longevity. 15. Japan offers over 300 unique Kit Kat flavors, from classic green tea to seasonal cherry blossom. 16. Some mushrooms naturally produce vitamin D, especially when exposed to sunlight. 17. Quail eggs are small, speckled, and packed with more nutrients than chicken eggs. 18. Traditional sushi originated as a way to preserve fish using fermented rice. 19. Fresh ginger has medicinal powers, including fighting nausea and boosting your immune system. 20. Bees turn nectar into honey and store it in honeycombs, a tiny natural miracle. 21. Japan also has wasabi-flavored ice cream, perfect for adventurous eaters who like it spicy. 22. Sauerkraut is full of probiotics that keep your gut healthy. 23. Powdered sugar is just sugar ground so finely it melts in your mouth. 24. Australia grows giant jackfruits that can weigh up to 35 kilograms or 77 pounds each. That's one huge fruit. 25. After water, coffee is the world's most popular drink. About 2 million cups are consumed every minute. So there you have it, 25 incredible food facts hiding in everyday eats. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and tell me which fact surprised you the most. See you next time.